Imagine creating personalized, professional-looking CNC projects in a few simple steps right in your internet browser. Well, EasyCarve is exactly that. Start with a pre-made project, swap out any elements, easily modify the text. If you're subscribed, incorporate your own custom model created from a prompt or an uploaded image. Just follow a few easy steps to create the toolpaths and you're ready to get started on your CNC machine. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, why don't you give our free trial experience a go? Still unsure? What if I told you that you could choose from 20 plus built-in fonts and get access to Vectric's industry-leading vCarve toolpath strategy to make your projects even more special? With a paid subscription, access more than 7,000 CNC-ready clipart pieces and incorporate in customized content from EasyCreate. That's Vectric's AI relief generation tool. This tool can take a prompt or a photo and create the perfect personalized addition to your project. Once you've learned the ropes, then you can start from scratch. Choose from a single model, one of your EasyCreate models, or select a background and fill the helpful regions with the content of your choice. Rotate, flip, size up or down, add in text, take complete creative control of your layout. That's the tools. Now what about the price? EasyCarve is perfect for the new to CNC user, the weekend CNCer, or the small woodworking business, and we have the prices to match. Purchase full access by the month, use as much as you like, cancel it when you want. For a special deal, sign up for 12 months and get 2 of those months free. We don't want to tie you into any long-term contracts. We want to get you up and making and not thinking about the cost. You'll need to set up a free account or use your Vectric credentials to get access. You don't need years of experience, you just need a place to start. And EasyCarve is that. Why don't you give it a try?